Are your app downloads stuck at zero while competitors dominate the app stores? Today, I'll reveal 5 advanced app campaign strategies that could increase your downloads by 80% while reducing cost per install. These are the exact techniques we use at AUDIT Solutions to turn app marketing into a growth engine. App campaigns are Google's most automated ad format, but most developers set them up wrong and waste thousands. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn how to optimize app campaigns for maximum downloads and user engagement. Let's start with asset optimization excellence. Your App Store listing is crucial. Google pulls creative assets directly from your store page. Use compelling screenshots showing key features, write benefit-focused descriptions with relevant keywords, and include video previews showcasing your app in action. Update your store listing before launching campaigns for maximum impact. Strategy 2. Bidding strategy selection. Start with target cost per install for predictable costs, then transition to target cost per action once you have sufficient conversion data. For engagement campaigns, use target return on ad spend to focus on high-value users. Set realistic targets based on your app's lifetime value. Don't bid more than 30% of your users' worth. Moving to strategy 3. Audience targeting precision. Create custom audiences from your existing users for lookalike targeting. Use in-market audiences for users actively searching for apps like yours. Target competitor app users and similar app categories. Layer demographic targeting with interest categories for laser-focused reach. Strategy 4. Creative asset strategy. Upload multiple text variations, headlines, descriptions, and call-to-action phrases. Google's machine learning will test combinations automatically. Include high-quality images and videos showing your app's core functionality. Use strong calls to action like, download now, or, install free, for maximum conversion rates. Final strategy, performance monitoring and optimization. Track beyond installs, monitor in-app actions, purchases, and user retention. Use conversion tracking to measure real value, not just downloads. Pause poor-performing ad groups and increase budgets for high-converting segments. Review asset performance weekly and refresh creative regularly. Ready to dominate App Store rankings with professional app campaign management? Visit auditsolutions.co.uk for a free audit. We'll analyze your app marketing strategy and show you how to scale downloads profitably. Follow us for more app marketing secrets.